this video, I'm going to show you how you can make $90 per day on every single video that you make with this site, right? So the first thing I'm going to show you guys, or the first thing I'm going to tell you guys rather, is that I do not waste your time on this channel, right? I just go straight to the point. I do not tell you about unnecessary steps and things that you're not supposed to do. But anyways, let's dive right into the video. So the first thing you guys want to do is go to the site called SEOclerk.com, SEOclerk.com, right? So once you get here, you're going to be confused, right? So the first thing you want to do is look at these things that people are posting. As you guys can see, you can see rank your website on Google, 30 days SEO, backlinks, whatever, right? This person charges $200 just for you to rank your website on Google. $200, right? Now, you might think there's not a lot of money in this, but hear me out. This person has 402 likes. 402 likes, which means people has bought this product from this person 402 times. $200 times 402. I don't know, but that's a lot of money, you know. Take a look at this one. $8. DA blah 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 backlinks. I don't even know what the fuck this is. $8. 2,817 likes. $8 times 2,817. That's a lot of money, right? So how can you do this? How can you get your post here and make money? Well, let me tell you something. All you have to do is join the site, right? Click on join, this blue button. Once you click on join, it gives you this page. Username, email, password. Click on continue and you're good to go, right? You can join the site. It's very, very easy. Now, I've already done all the steps before, so I do not need to click on create joining the site again. So I'm just gonna log into my own account because I've done all the previous steps before, right? So once you're done, once you log in and everything, you're gonna be on the same page that you were before. This is the page. So now what next do we have to do? So the next step that we have to take is go to the site called Animaker.com. Animaker.com. Now this is where the magic is going to happen, right? So what this site does is, as you guys can see, the future of video making starts here. What it does is basically it lets you create videos for free, absolutely free. Like you could make animated videos like this, what you're seeing here, for free, right? So as you guys can see, this site, they have been in the game for a long time and it works. You know, simple drag and drop builder, super powerful character builder, like a lot of things, 100 million plus stock videos and photos that you can use for free, 100,000, like 100 of templates or whatever, right? So the site is basically very, very powerful and you can use this. So what you want to do is click on sign up here. Once you click on sign up, it gets you to the sign up page, which we are going to take a look at because it's really, really simple. It doesn't take any time to do any of this. So you just click on sign up. So I'm just going to click that and you guys can see it's going to show you like put your username, your email and password. I've done all of that before, so I'm not going to do that again. So once you sign up, it's basically easy. It's going to take you to the next page, which is going to be this page right here. So this page that you guys can see right now is like the home page once you're signed in, right? And keep in mind that this site is completely free. You do not have to pay anything. So the first thing you want to do is look for a template to use. These are pre-made templates. They're really, really good, but if you want to change it for some reason, you know, which basically you're going to have to, all you have to do is just click on use. So I'm just going to click on use and show you guys just a little, you know, taste of changing the template. So once you click on use, it's going to take you to this page right here. Now this is where you create your videos, right? So as you guys can see, you could change the character. You could use this guy. You could use this guy. You could use pretty much a lot of people. You could change the text. You could change the scene 3, scene 4. You could add things to the timeline. You could change the length of the video. You could come over here to property. You know, you could add like maybe icons and things. You know, this is all this that's happening here is free, right? So how do you make money with this? Let me explain to you guys. So once you're done with creating your video here, like once you start using this, you're gonna be used to creating videos. That's what I mean. But let me show you guys how you're gonna make money, right? So come over here to this site. Now this site lets you offer your services for money, right? So what we are gonna do is type in video. We are just gonna type in video and let's see what pops up. Once you type in video, click on the search bar, and you guys could see YouTube video save promotion. This guy charges $10, 317 likes. Basically, there's a lot of people here doing, YouTube stuff. So what you're gonna do is basically very, very like easy. What you're gonna do is come over to Seller. Once you have created your account, come over to Seller. Now we are going to, let me tell you guys what we're going to be doing. We are going to be posting an advert, right? A new service. Create a new service, right? We are going to be posting a service, and during this process, what this does is, you can see, you could add your title here. So what this does is we're going to create a service that says, I make YouTube videos for you, or I make animated YouTube videos for you. It's really, really brilliant and really, really easy, and you could be chipping in $100 every single day. Just put your title here, I make YouTube videos, or I make animated YouTube videos for you in one day, right? You could change the category, change it to YouTube. Where's YouTube? Right here, YouTube, right? Put it on YouTube, click on continue. You could set your pricing. Now it's basic, right? Set how much you want to charge, $50, $100, whatever you want. Enable quick delivery. It's like if you want to deliver fast or not. You could click this to enable. You could click to disable, whatever you want. Content is basically tell them what you offer. So you're gonna type in here like, I make animated YouTube videos, blah blah blah. Required is they're gonna tell you what they want, right? Payment. Now here it's basically simple. All you have to do is click on add most common, because if you add most common, you could receive payment with PayPal, Stripe, basically all the popular method. But if you want to receive with cryptocurrency, you could do that too. You could do basically bank transfer, a lot of things, right? Once you're done, review. It's showing error because I skipped all the rest step, but whatever, just click on submit and your post will be live. As you guys can see, it's going to show live, so once it's live, your post is definitely going to be shown on the home page, right? It's going to be shown on the home page just the way we saw the first post. I'm going to show you guys the first post that we saw, which is right here, I guess. Yeah, correct. Brilliant. This is it. This is the post. So your post is going to be here. So once your post is here, someone is going to come looking for a YouTube video that they want to make, looking for someone to make YouTube videos for them, and then you are just going to pop up, and the person is going to click order now from you. Easy money, $100 you could make just from making the videos for free with this site, which is called animaker.com. So once you make the video, once you receive an order from the site, you come over here, you make the video for the person, click on publish, get the video saved to your PC, go back to the site, deliver your order to the person, boom, easy $100. And yeah, that's it, guys. This is what I do on this channel. I find easy ways for you to make money online. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a like, subscribe, and yeah, I'll catch you guys on another one.